What's up, everybody? Let's do some premium, all right? So we can just go ahead and start with Ebix because that's the one we've just been kind of hanging on, and it's got a damn Q on it now. And you can see, hell, it's all right. And there's a funny little thing on my brokerage that says I can't buy no more of this, but I can sell it. Now, this probably has something to do with uh, the bankruptcy declaration and all that, or whatever. But let me ask you a serious question. If and I can sell it, who in the hell can buy it? Ah, nothing. So I'm not selling, but I'm sure a lot of people are. And as they're all dumping out, the price isn't moving. So that shows you what? There are people buying up all these shares. The bankruptcy was not a going out of business deal. It was just a reorganization of debt. I don't. I think we're gonna make tons of money. I might be selling this crap again. You just watch. So we're just hanging out overall. No big deal. Um, Same usual suspects this week. I sold premium again on Hawaiian Electric. I had a $14, I believe. Um, let's see. So I'm probably going to get assigned here. Um, let's check the spreadsheet and see what we got here. So I had a 112. Okay, yeah. And then the one that I sold today. I sold another one today. But we're probably going to get assigned here on this one. I want to go through it just briefly so that you understand why I'm still going at it. I made 33 this time on the $14, so all good, even more. Um, but the markets are powered by fear and greed, and I myself found myself thinking a little chicken shit this morning, and I was like, man, I don't want to keep going. But when you're selling premium, this is the best you could ever hope for. This happens to be the price range. This is a big percentage moves. Um, but I was going to go to something else. And then something that's really important, especially when you have a trading plan, is to have a set of rules that you have to stick to take your emotions out of it. So I pulled up FinViz. This sucker's got a 9% dividend. The PEs are crazy looking good. It's got a little high debt for a utility, I won't lie, but it's not crazy. And then it just makes money all the time. So why would you ever go anywhere else? And the reason is for human psychology. When you're not winning and it's not moving, you want to go to something else. And that's how a lot of people never really achieve greatness because they don't stay consistent with one thing that works. They keep jumping around, and you can't get the timing right every time you jump. So that's where that goes. So back to here, we're probably going to get assigned here $1,400. But as we look in, this target price says 750. They must be out of their damn mind. They're really trying to scare folks off. I know they got litigation from the fire and everything, but you can't just start a new electric company. I mean, okay. We'll see, I guess. Next one is this guy, and it's just been going, man. And I got so close. I had 30.50 was my sell. It got so close, you could see, and I was a little heartbroken. But then I got my nuts back this morning, got my head straight, got my plan of attack for today. Fridays I sell premium. That's what I do. And if you watch the main account videos, this is exactly a swing trade setup. You have the 30, pow, the 5 above the 20, pow, and we're still priced above the 20. So why would you go anywhere else? I believe I had a 29 on this one. I believe we're getting assigned here as well. So it's an expensive hobby today. Um, yeah. So probably going to get assigned. It's okay. And we'll shoot. I may not put the sell in. I'll get another 100 shares of a dividend. Oh, come on, slow motion. At $42. We'll take it. On top of all the other I'm getting, I got a big position. But we sold another one. So likely 2,900. And then we did another one. There's a bonus one I want to talk about too that I've been looking at, and it's been pretty interesting. It's the stock we've been buying throughout. It took 34 here, but we got the 28.5. So we're $50 less in stock price. So it's actually a better deal, even though it looks like less of a deal. So over a percent on each one. Obviously, I'd like to clear up these two and get it back to where it's just the freaking premium. But life isn't perfect. It's okay. And the premium helps us hedge our bet. And you can see $266 on the one contract example here. So it's all good. It's like 10% off. It's all good. But the last one I wanted to discuss for a little while is MPW. And I was thinking about taking some option on it as well. And it very much reminds me of EBIX. They're having a very, very bad time. Extremely bad. Where they're selling assets just to pay bills. It's very bad. Will the REIT dissolve? I don't know. Maybe it will. I don't know. It's not looking good. But when you're going to sell premium for the upside by selling a put, I treat it a lot like a swing trade. So we hit the 30 here, and we're going sideways. But until we get above the 5 EMA here, I'm not interested. It's pretty good, like a 3.7% premium right now every week, which is a good risk premium. I like that. And I looked at it today because it's only $350. It's like no money. It's play money. But I'm looking for a sign for it to start going up. And then once rents and stuff start coming in, I think we'll be all right. But it's kind of hard to look at a REIT on these kind of screens. But you can see it's a bloodbath. It looks like Christmas. A lot of red and a little bit of green. So buyer beware. But this is where opportunity's at. And it depends on what your time horizon is too. And as long as we got more dividends coming, which there's nothing announced, so they may never pay another one. I don't know. But don't be surprised if I don't start dabbling here once we get above the 5, because I like a low cost, high return. At least one of them in the premium content. That's why EBIX was so good. EBIX fed the charity a lot of money. And if it ends up going to zero, it'll be a write-off. So nobody gets rich by getting write-offs, okay? So a write-off isn't like something you should go for, but it's not end of the world, and it'll write off against profits. So that's what I got to say on MPW. That's what we got for premium content. And I don't know. I think we'll call it there. I'll probably do the other video tomorrow or Sunday. Kind of will get my Friday going. Happy Friday, y'all. Thanks for watching.